I'm going to take you through the 2007 Sea Ray 205 Sport, listed here in Sturgeon Bay, SkipperBud's. You can see the boat just recently received a full buff and a wax. Very shiny exterior, black boot stripe. With red interior. Tandem axle trailer is included. Nice spacious swim platform. You can see the outdrive's in great shape. Large sunning area. Five-liter Mercury V8. Two bucket seats with an aft bench. Depth finder. There is a snap-on bow and cockpit cover included as well. Please call today and I can tell you more.